I'm Charmel Thomas of Charmel's Travels.
And I'm Tina Gale of Yes to Travels, and we have something to share with you.
Today, we want to address common concerns about starting your own travel business. We understand that it can be nerve-wracking, but we're here to guide you through the process of onboarding and launching your business. Tina, want to add anything?
Absolutely, Charmel. We want you to know that you're not alone in this journey. Whether you're considering joining us or you're already a part of our community, we're here for you. Let's dive into the details.
One of the first steps in our onboarding process is a personalized one-on-one welcome call. This is where you, as a new business owner, get to share your short and long-term goals with us. Tina, how does this call help our new partners?
Great question, Charmel. This call is all about understanding your expectations and guiding you on the best way to get started. It's a crucial step to tailor our support to your unique journey.
Exactly. And our support system is designed to make you feel connected. We have a team Facebook group, team chats, agent-to-agent interactions, and a corporate Facebook group. Tina, share a little bit about our agent customer service.
Our agent customer service is an invaluable resource. They're here to support you with any booking concerns, providing an extra layer of assistance so you're not just supported by us, but by a whole team dedicated to your success.
Now, when it comes to launching your business online, we have a tried and true system. We'll help you introduce your new venture to your audience, increase your followers, and share tips on engaging your audience.
Whether you are tech savvy or just starting, we've got you covered. We've seen incredible success stories from those who embraced our system, and we're excited to help you do the same.
In closing, we want you to realize that although you're in business for yourself, you're never alone. Tina and I are here every step of the way to support, guide, and celebrate your successes. Tina, any final words?
Well, absolutely, Charmel. If you are ready to embark on this exciting journey with us, let's make your travel business dreams a reality together.
Take that first step. Visit charmelthomas.com to connect with us. We can't wait to welcome you into our community of travel enthusiasts and budding entrepreneurs.